Today, the 2nd of May 2022, the Miot International Hospital, Chennai, along with Bethany Hospital, Shillong, is conducting a spine camp from 2nd to 7th May. Speaking to media persons, Dr. Chetan and Dr. Raghav of Miot Hospital informed about the different treatments available and the benefits that would be obtained from the camp.
What we are looking forwards, okay, a lot of patients, they have back pain and they have difficulty in walking long distances, okay. So after the surgery, they will start walking and their walking distance will become more and more. Day by day, the walking distance will keep on increasing. The back pain will go down and down. But this is from our side. At the same time, the patient has to follow the treatment and they have to follow all the precautions what we tell them. Okay. So with that, we can control everything. The thing is that a lot of times patients come to us when the problem has become really severe. Severe means the compression has been there for a long time. Okay. So outcome depends on that also. Okay. So if patient reaches us early, and if he agrees to the treatment, they get better early. But at the same time, because of some reason, because they're afraid of treatment, because they're afraid of surgery, if they come really late, then the outcome would be not as what we expect it to be. In every age group, maybe not in young age, but every adult who is active, we see these problems in them. Starting from 18 till 70, 80, we see these kind of problems. In old age, we see people falling down and suffering fractures in the back because of poor calcium in the bones, what we call as osteoporosis. We can treat them with rest medicines, with the treatment of osteoporosis to surgery. It depends on how small a problem is or how big a fracture is. So we will see whatever we can do here, maximum procedures we'll try to do here. But some of the complex procedures which requires a little more advanced technology such as machines and other things which are not present here, those patients we will be treating at Miot Hospital.